Exercises na dapat mong iwasan, number 1, behind the head lat pull downs. First of all, gusto ko muna sabihin na lat pull down, napakagandang exercise, excellent movement for stimulating the lats and building up overall back width and thickness. With that out of the way, pag-usapan na natin bakit dapat nating iwasan tong exercise na behind the head lat pull down. Unang-una, this puts your shoulders into an excessive position of external rotation. And this places your rotator cuff muscles, particularly the subscapularis, into an overly stretched position na nag-i-increase ng risk of your shoulder injury. Pangalawa, hindi lahat ng tao ay may magandang flexibility. So, ang tendency nito, mas pinoprotrude nila yung head nila forward, which places a dangerous amount of stress in your cervical spine. Pangatlo naman is the range of motion. Kung mapapansin natin, mas maganda yung range of motion ng standard lat pull downs dahil mas mapupull mo pa siya to your upper chest compared dun sa behind the neck nating variation. The last reason bakit natin dapat iwasan to is connected dun sa pangalawang reason natin. Ini-encourage kasi nito yung forward head posture. Ang nangyayari, mas sumasakit yung mid and lower back natin. Ngayon, hindi ko naman sinasabi na kapag ginagawa mo tong behind the neck pull downs ay injury ka na agad. Merong mga taong may magandang shoulder flexibility along with moderate weights na kaya nilang i-perform to safely. Pero kung pipili ka kung ano yung mas smarter choice of exercise, stick na lang tayo doon sa standard lat pull downs.